Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video, I will show you how to fix GPS signal lost in Moto G77. First of all, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on system updates. Click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, disable battery optimization. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on optimize charging and turn on off this button. After turning off this button, disable battery optimization from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your picture, video, photo will be erased from your phone. This is how you can fix no GPS signal lost in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.